So hey there guys, this is me BoomBurst, and today we are here for a special occasion. So yeah guys, the surprise is you guys must seen the thumbnail. Guys, we are buying a new car, and the car is in 3, 2, 1, Suzuki Swift!
You got me jumping like
Guys, it's not for me, it's for my sister. She's the kind of person who likes really small cars. She wants a small box. So the small Suzuki, it looks amazing. And yeah, we're gonna buy that for her. What is it, tell me?
Hi.
Hi. And I'm kind of participating for this. I'm not buying her the car. I am contributing a little because I do love my sister. And if my sisters weren't there, I don't think so I'll be a YouTuber like this. So yeah guys, let's go see the car. Oh, that's the car guys. As you guys can see, this is the car, but there's no lighting, so I'll show you a small montage after the light comes back. Okay guys, so right now my sister's gonna get the key of the car. So yeah, we're going guys. This is dope guys. Avatar, congratulations.
Thank you.
All the BoomBurst fans wants to tell congratulations.
Hi.
Hey guys, it's so funny, we full gang walking around the Suzuki showroom. Hey guys, so now my sister's gonna get the car. My sister's gonna get the car. Okay guys, so this is the Suzuki Swift 2018 model, and yeah, it's really good. As you guys saw, the cover is still in the seat because my sister loves the new car feel, all the wannabe type. Just kidding guys. So yeah guys, as you guys can see over here, the car can go up to 220 km/h, and yeah, it's in parking mode. And then guys, my favorite part about this car is this white line. Yeah guys, I love this white line. That's my dad. Okay, and there's a white line over here too. And guys, this car is really good. As you guys saw the montage, it was really beautiful. Just for my sister, but she's not beautiful. Okay guys, I hope she doesn't watch the video. Okay guys, so anyway, here's the interior of Suzuki Swift 2018. So okay guys, so the Swift video is I'm gonna end it right here. This is Salo. We've reached home now. So yeah, anyway guys, if you guys haven't followed me on my social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat guys, go check it out. BoomBurst Vlogs. Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. BoomBurst and
Salman Productions.
Signing out. Peace.